Aviva's Unified Operations Center for Renewables ties together data from your wind and solar generation sites into a single unified dashboard for operations and analysis. This is a brief demo of our starter application to help accelerate the deployment of your wind or solar UOC. At the landing page, the user is presented with a map of available wind and solar sites. These sites are identified with a wind or solar icon and show the current performance ratio for each. Here, users at all levels of the organization are provided overall capacity and generation metrics by generation type, which are derived by region as shown on the bottom. Using the map, a user can select a site and view site level information. Here, a simple model of a site is presented showing overall site KPIs and weather information. The graphics shown in the display can be reconfigured and scaled up to better reflect your specific site layout. Each site is segmented into 4 categories. For operations and control, you can monitor your assets at different levels of the asset model, including substation, transformer, and block level. Drilling down to the individual assets allows you to see additional operations metrics, which are provided in real time. A good example is the block level overview, allowing you to see the status for inverters, combiners, as well as active panels with power generation metrics. Here, block 1 appears to have reduced availability. Drilling down further to the inverter and solar string view reveals a tabular view of the panels. You can see that one of the panels is experiencing a failure, and the operator can contact field staff directly or issue a work order through the Aviva Work Order plugin to have a technician perform an inspection. The breadcrumb navigation automatically expands to your location in the asset hierarchy and can be used to navigate through your asset model. For asset revenue and performance, the commercial and customer service analyst can monitor output and revenue generation. These KPIs, such as levelized cost of electricity, yield, and availability presented over weekly, monthly, or yearly intervals, are essential to track and optimize financial performance. Analysis of these metrics can help an operator set future growth plans where they build additional capacity or optimize short-term maintenance activities to ensure availability and production. Forecasting and analysis metrics allows your scheduling analyst to see historical trends for demand and generation. The operator can then ensure availability will be optimized to meet a high demand situation, reducing non-renewable generation costs. From a maintenance and availability perspective, your asset management staff can track availability and downtime metrics. For wind operations, a very similar layout is presented with the same navigational pillars and KPIs customized for wind power. The system tracks overall site generation metrics and weather, including wind conditions. Here also, the graphics can be tailored to better represent your specific site. This tabular view allows you to focus in on lower performing or inactive turbines and drill down for further analysis. Here, the turbine view shows specific data for that asset as well as CCTV footage, which can be incorporated into any of our visualizations. The Aviva UOC also provides workflow management, which allows for modeling, execution, and analysis of your workflow processes. Here, an incident dashboard for operations is presented, showing incidents by system type and status. These workflows can be customized to better represent more complex work task execution as required. For new and existing Pi customers, Pi vision screens already built for specific assets can be viewed directly through the UOC to gain additional value from your Pi investment. This concludes our brief demo. Please contact your Aviva sales representative for further information or visit us at aviva.com.